Right, you can see it's becoming very interesting. As we move higher, you may think it's very challenging, getting this. But don't forget, the power is in tightening the lips if you want to move higher, and you increase the air. Let the air move fast as you're trying to move higher. Now the next note we are examining is the note 6 of the trumpet. With this, it's not a joke. You have to just tighten up a little more to achieve the sound. And it's the letter note A. And you have 1 and 2, verbs 1 and 2 together. You may be saying again, oh, but there's one has this. Yes. Letter he has 1 and 2 also. Letter A2 has 1 and 2. But the difference is in the air and in the positioning of the lips. Yes, the same verb fingering chart, but don't forget that as you move higher, the air must also move as fast as possible. This is what it sounds like when you play letter A with the 2 verbs, 1 and 2 together. The difference between this and the letter E is this. Letter E has, that is still a loose lips, but just a medium pressed. But with letter A, you're beginning to tighten your lips the more. And the hair travels fast. Yeah. And for you have, see the shape of the mouth. For you have, for A, letter A, the 6th note of the trumpet, you have E. The shape also determines the sound you produce. Now, this is letter A. Now, one thing you will do is make sure that the air is not escaping from these 2 extremes, from these 2 ends. Make sure that this place is completely sealed and this place is completely sealed. The air is only coming out from the center. That was why we practiced the lip clamp. So you have just the air coming out from the center alone. You may need to practice this a few times before you get it. All right, letter A. Now look at the screen for the exercise following the same pattern. Let's do one again. Thank you.